Hi guys, my name's Barb and I'm new to the YouTube game. Hey guys, this is Barb and today's project is going to be one of these signs from the Dollar Tree and a gift box that I picked up. And the first thing I'm going to do is cut this ribbon off. But if you haven't, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It'll really help me grow and get recognition. But the first thing I'm going to do after the ribbon is put some wood filler in these holes that the ribbon came out of. And I also got that at the Dollar Tree. And so I just put some of that in and let it dry. It sanded it off just a little bit. I'm going to be using this apple barrel paint in the color white to paint my sign. And you don't have to worry about the sticker in the middle because the sign's going to cover that up. We're just going to mostly focus on the sides, getting them nice and covered. So we'll just give this a good coat. It'll probably take 2 coats of this paint, but like I said, I'm just going to focus on the sides and getting them covered. And just go all the way around. So here it is painted, nice and covered on the sides. I'm going to take my level here and draw some lines. You can see the notches on the sign, and I'm going to draw lines from the top to the bottom to kind of make it look like wood. But I'm going to trace it with my pencil first. And just go from bottom to top. And the lines don't have to go all the way across the sign because, like I said, just the top and the bottom need to show, the middle will be covered. I'm horrible at drawing straight lines and getting things straight. I'm awful at it. But now I'm going to go ahead over and do the other lines. Then I'll take this Waverly paint in the color ink, and I want to get my fine tipped paintbrush and paint these lines black. But I'm just going to do the top and the bottom like I said, and not worry about going all the way across my sign. So I'm just going to do a little bit on the top and a little bit on the bottom. And if it doesn't look perfectly straight, that's fine. That gives it a more rustic kind of old look. And I'm just trying to get my lines halfway decent. I'll go ahead and do both of them. And I'll do the same thing at the bottom. Just making sure I go long enough so that the sign does cover the middle. So I'm going to take these gift boxes and just take the plastic off. These are pretty too, those other ones. I may make signs out of those as well. But I'm going to cut this gift box down to size But I really like the sides of these. The sides of the gift boxes are cute too. And they would look nice, I think, going around. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and stick with just the inside part for now. So I'm going to go ahead and cut around and take that edge part off, the plaid part. And I'm just going to eyeball it and go ahead and just cut around each side. And I'll probably save these edges maybe for my cards that I started making. You never know. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut these off. So now I have it cut out. I'm going to take some Mod Podge and put it on the back of my picture. Just squirting it on there. I like to get a whole lot on. Just going to take my sponge and just, after I get it all squirted on there, just spread it all out. And getting it nice and covered on the edges and corners. You can also put a little bit on your board if you'd like, whichever you prefer. My cat's going crazy in the background. Apologize. And I'm getting this nice and covered. Nice amount on there. And once I think it's covered good, I just put it on my board. And just rub it down to make sure, you know, it's nice and flat and there's no air bubbles. And going around the sides and corners so that they lay flat. Then I'll take some more Mod Podge. I use the gloss kind, and then I'll cover the top of it. And I just go ahead and pour a little bit on, just on the picture, and then just go over it with my sponge. I like to put a good amount on there to seal it in, and make sure I go around the edges really well. I really like this gift box. They have so many nice gift boxes that you could do this with. I always hated throwing gift boxes away because they were so cute. You could do this with greeting cards as well. They have some really nice greetings cards. So I have this bow. I picked them up at Dollar General. I'm just going to fancy up the ends and make them nice and cute. And I think I got 6 for $1, but it's been probably back in October. So I'm going to take this bow and once I get it fixed, I'm going to take one of these tree garlands I picked up from the Dollar Tree and just tie it together into a circle to make a wreath. And I'm going to put that bow on the wreath with a little bit of hot glue. And be careful with this hot glue. I've burnt my fingers so many times today on this hot glue. After I get that bow on there, I'm going to take these red berries and I'm just going to put them on there just to give it a little something else. And I'm going to hot glue those on as well. First I need to trim off a little bit of the stem. So I'm hot gluing it on to the bow and to the wreath, and then I'll hot glue the wreath onto the sign, and it looks really, really nice. So make sure, if you haven't, please hit the notification bell, the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this project. I think it turned out really nice, and cute. It's really nice. So give me a thumbs up, guys. Let me know what you think. See you on the next one.